मैं शक्ति का अमर गर्व हूँ, आजादी का विजय पर्व हूँ, पहले राष्ट्रपति का गुण हूँ, बाबा भीमराव का मन हूँ, मैं बलिदानों का चंदन हूँ, कर्तव्यों का अभिनंदन हूँ, मैं लोकतंत्र का उद्बोधन हूँ, अधिकारों का संवर्धन हूँ, मैं आचरणों का लेखा हूँ, भारत के भाग्य की रेखा हूँ। हाँ, मैं भारत का संविधान हूँ। Respected dignitaries and like all countrymen, good afternoon, all in present here. I am Akanksha, proudly representing the historic land of Rohtas. From a newly independent India in 1947 to the world's largest democracy, a fifth largest economy, a digital powerhouse, and a space superpower. Our progress is the result of the vision our constitution gave us. It is this document which abolished untouchability, empowered women, strengthened freedom of speech, and uplifted millions from poverty. It gave us a democracy where every vote counts, where dreams has no barrier, and where progress is right, not a privilege. While most of the written constitution lasts for 17 years, as noted by Professor Gilmore from the University of Chicago, our has thrived. Our constitution has stood strong for 75 years. Why? Ladies and gentlemen, why? Because our constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It's the vehicle of life, and its spirit is the spirit of the age. These are the words of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, which reminds me that our constitution is just not a rigid document. It's a living document which evolves with time, embracing changes while upholding its core values, from right to education to right to privacy. From right to education to right to privacy, from economic reforms to digital revolution. Our constitution has adapted to the needs of its people. It has granted us fundamental right to equality, freedom of speech, protection against exploitation. But as Mahatma Gandhi said, duties are the biggest source of right. Equality thrives when discrimination ends, freedom is strengthened when we respect others' voices. And right to vote comes with the duty to elect wisely, and right to have clean environment comes with the duty to protect it. From green revolution to digital India, from making India to Chandrayaan success, every milestone is the proof that our constitution is just not a legal document. It's a living guide that drives India forward. As we step into the future, we must ask ourselves, are we truly upholding the values of our constitution? Are we using our rights wisely and fulfilling our duties sincerely? Because our constitution has given us everything. Now it's our turn. It's our duty to give back to the nation. I would like to conclude myself by saying, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरी मकसद नहीं. मेरी कोशिश है सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, ये देश बदलनी चाहिए. मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए, आग जलनी चाहिए. जय हिंद, नमस्कार, जय संविधान.